Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable the smooth scrolling feature in Microsoft Edge browser. This feature will allow you to smoothly scroll through any website regardless of the size and the content. So let's proceed to the tutorial. Open Microsoft Edge browser and in address bar type edge://flags and hit enter. In this menu, in the search bar, search for smooth, and this is a feature that we require. This is default. You should enable it for turning on the feature. After enabling, the browser will ask us to restart for the changes to take effect. Hit the restart button. Okay, now the smooth scrolling feature is enabled. In case if you want to disable it or return to the default, just hit this menu and select either default or disabled as you wish. Okay, this is a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.